Son of a... Coming at you today, we are going to get our front foyer organized. For all of you that have those shoes that are just piling up at the front and don't have a space for them, we are going to put a little bit of a built-in nook in the front hallway so that all those shoes and all that stuff that piles up at the front door has a place to go. So hopefully I'm solving a problem for you guys and girls out there. I am solving a problem for the family. Let's be neighborly and get this project underway. All right, folks, let's go through the game plan here. I've made this frame. This thing is like a Frankenstein. I just used the wood that I had laying around. Thank you to the Frasers again. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna be making this top part. So we have 136 centimeters by 40. We are going to make some nice 45s on the ends here to join those around. That's gonna sit on top of our frame. Inside the frame, we are going to put in panels made of this plywood here, and then on the front we're actually going to make a nice little piece that will be all one. We have got our plywood and we're going to use this to finishing the top and the front face on our seat. I got 2 sheets of this. I don't know if I need 2 sheets, but I don't want to get caught needing a little bit extra and having to run back to the lumberyard. I am going to rip this down. This is obviously too big as it is right now for the table saw, so I am going to get my circular saw, cut it down. Before I do that, I am just going to measure out my cuts so that when I rip this down, I'm not infringing on those and wasting this entire sheet of plywood. Huge shout out to Acme Building Supplies in Dubai. They're a commercial grade operation, and they actually just let me buy 2 pieces of this plywood just for this project here. So thanks very much, fellas. I got this electric air nailer from Dragon Mart really cheap, and actually I was pleasantly surprised. I've only used it once, but I was actually going to do a review on it. But other than telling you that it's worked the first time and it's probably going to work a few more times, I don't know if anyone buying a ding bar electric nailer is actually going to be Googling and looking for a review on this thing. So I'll just leave it at that. It worked great the first time, and it is what it is. You know what, after looking at it, I think I have a bit of a change of plan. Originally, we were gonna have this open area down here, and we could have some baskets and things like that, so just to slide in there, like a nice wicker basket. And I've seen a lot of pictures of it, and it would look really good, but we're also going to be having a shelf up here, and we're gonna have some wicker baskets on that as well. So I just worry that it's gonna be too much. So I've seen some other pictures of other mud rooms, and down here they've made it look like it's more of a drawer. So what I am going to do is I'm gonna make a face that looks like a drawer. You're gonna have a secret top part that lifts up, and then you can still store all your shoes and purses and whatever you wanna have. We're veering off the path a little bit, but I think it's a good redirection. Moving on to the shelves, we are going to make the frames for those. I have these 1x1s. Again, thanks to the Frasers. This is some of the free wood that they gave me. See, these aren't going to be long enough for the distance that I need. I need 136 centimeters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 frames, 2 square frames, maybe a rectangle, I don't know. We'll see what shape comes out of it. And put those in the corners, and then I will join those together. And then the shelves will just have a top piece, a bottom piece, and then a front strip that goes on there. Here we go. We have the structure for the shelf.